Okay, there are two things that I'm sure about today. One is that although it says 20 degrees on my app, it actually feels like 40 degrees. I'm just sweating non-stop. Number two is that it's official. I am obsessed with tomatoes. I try to include tomatoes in every single recipe. And today, the recipe is curried lentils with tomatoes and spinach. And I am just so excited to try this recipe because it has two things that I really love: lentils and tomatoes. Lentils are super easy to make and they're very versatile, which is great. They're high in protein, which is good for people like me because us vegans need to get our protein wherever we can. The lentils are also high in fiber, which is good for your digestive system, and it's also high in iron, which is good for your blood. So why not just do lentils and tomatoes? The two things just go so good together. And I'm sure you're going to see that from this recipe. It's going to be so good.